I have made 14,000 Swedish crowns since I started the marketing with Higgsfield. 14,000 crowns is around $1,400. And as you can see, the orders keeps getting in. We have already 5 orders today. It's the best day I have had since I started. So in this video, I will show you what I have learned, what works best, and the updates on how it is going, okay? So first off, I am marketing with meta ads. So in my school community, you can see which ads are performing the best and how you can create similar ads in the same way, okay? The link to my school community will be down in the description and in the comment section. So make sure you join so that you can also learn how to do this. So in this video, we will be promoting this dress because I have started to sell lots of these dresses in green and blue. So in this video, we will be creating ads for this dress. Let's start with the green one. So I choose green. This is my e-commerce store and it's in Swedish. Let's go to Higgsfield and then Marketing Studio. So before we create the ad, I will show you one of my best ads that is generating a lot of sales. And it's this one.
This summer dress is my warm weather go-to. It's knee length, light, and relaxed. The short sleeves and lace v-neck feel comfy but still cute. Perfect for vacation days, and it comes in lots of colors.
And as you can see, to create this, I have used Marketing Studio and Product Review, okay, in 1080p. So we're gonna do the same. So let's add this dress into Higgsfield. So click on Product and I will add it here. Let's see if we get the green one because sometimes you don't get the variant you want. So you can create it manually, okay? We got the blue one, so let's go ahead and create manually and upload the green dress here. Now it's loading. I will just say Emma green dress and I will add the link so that we have it here. No one will see these things, so it's only me who's gonna see this, so I add it here for me to make it easier to find the product faster next time. Okay, let's do it. I chose the dress and then I will just tell Higgsfield create an avatar from this product, and then this setting will be product review. So let's go ahead and do product review. Here it is, product review. I did not change the hook, so I'm gonna just keep it like this. We did not have any setting as well in that ad. We're gonna just keep it like this as well. The duration is 15 seconds, 1080p, 916. Let's go ahead and generate. And for the next product, the blue version, I'm gonna download this image as well so that Higgsfield does not get confused. Maybe it use another variant, so to be sure, I'm gonna just download this image. Let's go back to Higgsfield, Marketing Studio. Let's add the blue one, create manually. It's adding now. Let me copy the link like this. I do this because sometimes when you import the product, Higgsfield might choose a random color. So that's why I upload the color I want, okay? And this time I will also try to tell Higgsfield create the ad in Swedish. So everything looks good, product review, settings are okay, and let's generate this one too. Let's go. So as you can see, they are being generated, but I want to talk about the free ads we are creating. They have a high click-through rate. The CTR is high, but they don't convert as good as the ones that we are creating with the Marketing Studio in auto mode where we spend credits, okay? They get a lot of organic views and likes, but they don't sell on meta ads. I have done it for a couple of days and I have not got any sale with the free method. Maybe it needs more time. I will still test free ads and I will update you as we go. The paid ads are generating the best results for now. So for example, this one is also generating sales. This one generated a sale. This one is generating sales. This one is generating sales. And we have this one that generates sales. All of those that generate sales I have paid and created with Higgsfield credits. The best ads, they are edited with CapCut and added voiceover from ElevenLabs, and we will do that too in this video. Okay, so we have the first video ready. Let's watch.
This Emma Green wrap dress is my go-to for events. The waist high cinches nicely, the fabric feels light and flowy, and the midi length moves so pretty when you walk.
This is pretty good. I will translate this to Swedish. Let's go ahead and download it. Let's watch the blue ad dress now.
Okej, jag provar Emma-kladanen. Tiket är met och falla fatt. Vringenen och omlået formar skänse supersmickran. Knittbalet i midden ger en snäir silhuett. Perfekt till bronsåg eller fest, hela rakunen.
Because I told Marketing Studio to create the ad in Swedish, it did, but the Swedish was not good. So for this, I will also generate Swedish text-to-speech on ElevenLabs, okay? Because Higgsfield does not translate it perfectly, I will do it myself and do the translations and add the voiceover in CapCut. So let's go to ElevenLabs. I will do text-to-speech. And then we have our own voice that we created. I show you how to do this in my school community as well. I choose this 11 version 3 and we're gonna do robust. From this video I will use the first sentence because it's a really strong hook. It says my favorite dress, okay? You can listen now.
Min favoritklänning för varma sommardagar.
That's perfect. We're gonna use that. And the rest we will take from the ad. So let's listen what she says more.
Emma green wrap dress is my go-to for events.
To make it easier, I will transcribe this video and get the voiceover in text in Swedish. And for that, we're gonna use Claude. So go to Claude and code, and then just drag and drop the video here. So now I have the video here, and I will tell Claude, get the transcription and translate it to Swedish for this video. Okay, now it's translating it to Swedish. It's gonna use Grok for that. Yeah, there you go, Grok. So this Emma Green wrap dress is my go-to for events. And here we have the English version, okay? And this is the Swedish version. So we're gonna take some parts here. This is good. Go to translate. Let's generate the speech.
Midjeknytningen sitter fint åtsittande. Midjeknytningen sitter fint.
Now I like the first one. Let's take it. Take it to CapCut. Second row here. Remove this, the old one.
Min favoritklänning för varma sommardagar. Midjeknytningen sitter fint åtsittande.
Let's see if we can get more smooth. Let's regenerate. Actually, let's use thoughtful again. Let's regenerate.
Midjeknytningen sitter fint åtsittande.
First one was good. Let's add it. Okay, I have added the new video here. Okay, I have now edited the video. Let's watch what we got.
Min favoritklänning för varma sommardagar. Midjeknytningen sitter fint åtsittande. Tyget känns lätt och luftigt. Midjelängden rör sig så vackert när man går. Perfekt för semesterdagar. Och den finns i många olika färger.
That's perfect. This video will definitely generate sales. And I will update you with the results in my school community. So make sure you join. Now you get the idea. This is what works today. I am updating my school community every day. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one.